Yo, welcome to MyMathYourMath. Today, synthetic division. So we're going to be dividing polynomials by polynomials, and we're going to be using a different method other than the long division that everybody typically uses, and it's called synthetic division. Let's go ahead and start with example A. Really quickly, example A will have no remainder. Example B is the one that will have a remainder. We'll show you how that one goes. So, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. First thing you want to do is draw a little L shape, like so. Okay? And then at the end of the L shape, another little L. This is the box for my remainder. Okay? Now, first thing you do is you take the number that's on the bottom, it's a -1, you take its opposite and you place it over here in this left corner. So it's going to be a +1. And this is the number that you keep multiplying things by. And then you take the coefficients. So we have 1, -3, +3, -1. So 1, -3, 3, and -1. So it's a little system. You drop the number down, multiply it by that, add it to that, and so on. Let's see. So we drop the 1 down. 1 times 1 is 1. Put it here. -3 and a +1 is a -2. 1 times a -2 is a -2. 3 plus a -2 is a 1. 1 times 1 is a 1. -1 plus 1 is 0. And then we have our answer. Since we started with cubed, our very first one here is going to be squared. So it will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 is the answer. Is the answer for example A. All right, let's move on to example B. So go ahead and draw my little L. Put my little remainder box there. So, as you can see, this is x plus 3. So what we're going to put is a -3 over here. And our coefficients, 1, -2, -14, -5. We drop down the 1. 1 times -3 is -3. -3 and a -2 is a -5. 3 times 5, but negative, is a 15. Okay? 15 and -14 is a 1. Alrighty. 1 times -3 is -3. -5 and -3 is -8. Good? So our remainder is -8. Now, you say, how do I write it with the remainder? Well, guess what? The thing you divided by stays in the answer somehow. So, we got all our coefficients. The answer will be x squared minus 5x plus 1. So far, it's just like the last one, right? Except for when you have a remainder, you're going to add on the remainder, so that's a negative, so it's -8, and it's over the thing you divided by, x plus 3. And that is the answer for example B. That's all for synthetic division.